Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we are going to learn how to speak English at a restaurant, how to order food, ask polite questions, and pay the bill.
Yes, and we will speak slowly and clearly. So relax, listen, and repeat after us. Let's begin.
Tom, do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do. I enjoy trying new food. What about you?
Me too. I like restaurants with simple, tasty food.
Great. So today, we'll pretend we are in a restaurant.
And everyone listening, try to speak with us, arriving at the restaurant. Okay, Tom, imagine we just arrived at a restaurant. I'll start. Hello, table for two, please.
Of course, here are the menus.
Thank you. To the listeners, let's repeat together. Table for two, please. Here are the menus. Thank you.
Ordering drinks. So now we want to order drinks. Emma, what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Nice. I'll have an orange juice, please.
Great. So the key phrase is I'd like. It is polite and easy.
Let's practice slowly. I'd like a glass of water, please. I'll have an orange juice, please. Ordering food. Now we order food. Emma, what do you want to eat?
I'd like the chicken salad, please.
And I'll have a cheeseburger with fries.
Great choices.
Let's repeat for practice. I'd like the chicken salad. I'll have a cheeseburger with fries.
Asking about the menu. Sometimes you don't understand a dish. You can ask simple questions like, what is this dish? Is it spicy? Does it come with fries? Can I see the ingredients?
Let's practice together. What is this dish? Is it spicy? Does it come with fries? Can I see the ingredients?
Eating and polite phrases. Okay, Emma, we have our food now.
Yes, and we say, enjoy your meal.
And after eating, someone may ask, how is your food?
We can answer, it's delicious, or it's very good. Let's repeat. Enjoy your meal. How is your food? It's delicious.
Asking for the bill. Now we finish eating. We want to pay.
We can say, excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
And if we want to know payment method, do you take credit cards?
Then, at the end, we say, thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's repeat. Can we have the bill, please? Do you take credit cards? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Brain and speaking practice. Okay, listeners, now you speak. Answer out loud. What drink would you like? What food would you like? How would you ask for the bill?
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Speaking is practice.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.